Introduction to national identity. What do you think about when you hear the word national identity? What are the ways that you represent your national identity? National identity refers to a person's sense of belonging to a nation. This identity can be shaped by various factors, including ethnicity, language, culture, and shared civic values. Understanding these components helps us see how national identities are formed and maintained. Ethnicity and national identity. Ethnicity plays a significant role in national identity. Almost all the ethnic groups are united by common ancestry, history, and cultural traits, which can provide a strong sense of belonging. For instance, many nation-states in Europe were formed around dominant ethnic groups, such as the French, Germans, Spaniards, and Italians. Ethnic nationalism goes on to show that a shared heritage can be a powerful unifying force. Language as a marker of identity. Language is another important component of national identity. A common language facilitates communication and creates a sense of unity among people. Language can also carry cultural and historical significance, making it a powerful symbol of national identity. For example, the creation of Urdu as a language was a symbol of the resistance movements that led to the creation of Pakistan. Countries like France and Spain have implemented policies to promote and preserve their national languages. In contrast, nations with multiple official languages, such as Canada and Switzerland, often face challenges in balancing linguistic diversity with national unity. Cultural identity and traditions. Culture is a broad term, and it comprises the entire range of human beliefs, customs, arts, and social institutions that make a group of people different from others. National culture includes shared traditions, rituals, customs, and values that define a nation's way of life. Cultural symbols like national holidays, traditional clothing, folklore, and cuisine can evoke strong feelings of pride and belonging. For example, Japan's national identity is closely tied to its unique cultural practices such as tea ceremonies, sumo wrestling, traditional food, and cherry blossom festivals. These cultural elements distinguish Japan from other nations and create a sense of unity among its people. Balancing different elements. Many nations combine multiple elements to form their national identity. For instance, India's national identity includes ethnic, linguistic, cultural, and civic components. India is a multi-ethnic and multilingual country with a rich cultural heritage and a democratic political system. The Indian national identity is thus a complex blend of these various factors. Challenges. Balancing different elements of national identity can be challenging, especially in diverse societies. Efforts to promote unity around one element can sometimes lead to the exclusion of others. For example, prioritizing a single national language can marginalize speakers of minority languages. However, diverse national identities can also offer opportunities for richer cultural exchanges and greater social cohesion. Canada's policy of multiculturalism is an example of how a country can celebrate diversity while maintaining a strong national identity. Conclusion. National identity can be based on ethnicity, language, culture, and civic values. Each of these elements contributes to a sense of belonging and unity among people. Studying these elements helps us understand what factors hold together different groups around the world.